This is the police speaking. This.
Oh, she looked pissed. Guys, we're in freezing outside. Look outside.
That's cold. That's Mother Nature just having its way with the earth. She is just taking her hump out of us, like hump.
We were trying to look cute, right? It's like, oh, we gonna look cute, y'all. No, we be doing it. You see what I got on? That's what I had on. It's a long t-shirt underneath. We had to buy socks, y'all. We had to buy socks just to stay warm. Okay? And we were out there. We was up and she wasn't around. This is how I do it, though. We're going home. We need to go home. It's life.
It was so cold, we had to trash ourselves. So we called Matt. Yeah, I'm calling you out.
You ain't do shit, nigga. You ain't do nothing. I just had a moment outside for the audience people at this place. I really did. I lost my mind. I started screaming. I started going crazy. My hair probably best look. Probably look rough right now. Aisha's the white one. I know, I'm the white one. She's the black one.
Sweet.
We didn't go see Princess and the Frog. Whatever. We froze our butts off. It was freaking cold. 3 things we learned that day. Don't worry about being cute. When it's cold, Mother Nature will mess you up. Buy socks if you don't have gloves and put them on your hands. I mean, it worked for us. It's okay to be ghetto sometimes. Number 2. Don't pay $19.95 for a movie ticket to see Princess and the Frog. It's not worth it. You could be buying clothes. Number 3. Oops, I forgot number 3. The more important thing is that we're home and we're safe and we didn't get raped. Leave a comment and subscribe. If you don't, you'll get squirrel AIDS. Leave a comment below. Peace.
This is the police. This is the police.
This is Alicia's butt.